Testing. Hopefully this works. I'm recording, I think. Yeah, I'm recording. I can see the red dot. I'm recording.
Okay, take one. So, welcome to Animal Company. We're doing dumb stuff. One time, Invincible here went into the water. He heard growling and we both died. So, we're gonna see what happens if we go really deep in there. If you don't know what these are called hover pads. If you click V on your controller, it'll make you float, and you can go downwards too. So, let's see what happens. Hi-ya.
This is the adventure channel. What? This is at the adventure channel. Uh-oh.
Start swimming down. So what? So there's the.
Whoa! There it is!
It's a megalodon!
Oh my gosh! Oh hi.
Oh, there goes our body. So that's what happens. Okay, good to know. I'm swimming.
I'm floating away. I wonder if I can go back up as a ghost.
I'm gonna see if I can teleport back as a teleporter.
Up and away. We're flying in the sky. Up and away. We're going up high. Oh, I figured that out. Stay tuned for more stupid adventures. So goodbye. Oh, where's my camera?